go. Oops.
Oh my God! Nay, nasayaw!
Nakatagit na ako, parang hindi ko na ganyan. Ayan.
Andito kami ngayon sa Golden Adventure. Susubukan namin ang bridge at pati yung roller coaster. So ito yung bridge na hanging bridge or sky bridge na subukan naming tawirin. At saka ito yung coaster na subukan kong gawin din. So let's try that. Dalawa yung adventure ko ngayon. Meron silang zipline, pero hindi ko kinuha ang zipline kasi hindi ko siguro kaya yan, yung basta nakalambitin ka, nakahang. Nanginginig na sila. Kasama na ko.
I'm so tired and scared. Hi, the vlog!
Ganyan to eh.
Alex, natulog! Alex!
Tumalon? Saan tumalon?
You want to do it?
Yeah. I thought they meant like hindi ka kaganyan, hindi. Ako ang unang mamamatay.
Picture.
Pag nag-malfunction.
Dito. Wow, nice. Parang ang lalim.
You're gonna be scared.
Gusto na mo pag-picture muna.
Okay.
You guys enjoy.
Step, come on.
Bakit ba tayo nagbabayad dito para lang matakot?
Ito lagan ko.
Lumakad ka! Oh, yung mami! Yung mami mo! Nasayaw. Oh my God!
Ayun, nandun sa unahan. Nakatakot na ako.
Nay, nasayaw.
Nakatakot na ako. Parang hindi ko na ganyan. Ayan.
So kung Hindi rin nang dahil sa vlogging na to, parang feeling ko, parang ayaw ko. So nang dahil sa YouTube na to. Ay, so, nakakatakot din minsan, parang ang vlogging is ano na, pang buhis, ang tawagin, buhis buhay. Yung kasama ko din nanginginig. So parang, let's go na, let's Bob. Ito yung adventure na ikaw pang nagbabayad, ikaw pa ang tinakot. para bang nagbayad ka lang para takutin mo yung sarili mo, parang ganun ang sitwasyon.
Refrain from stopping on the bridge and continue moving so other guests can enjoy the view. If you need to stop, please move to the side to allow others to pass by.
Ayun, ayos na, takbo na.
Thank you, Lord. Guys.
Yeah, this is for the vlog. Hi vlog.
Yung bata ha. Laging tatakbo oh. Set, look.
Oh, they're going no brakes.
Oh. See, I told you we can go.
Oh, that's them using no brakes. All right.
There we go, just like that. In the front, down there. There we go.
All right.
Gotcha. Yeah, just nudge it down a little bit more.
All right.
Sweet. So if you guys want to listen as well, you want to just listen in. So you have your two handlebars either side, okay? You're going to push them down. It's going to make you go faster. Pulling them up is going to slow you down, okay? Make sure you keep a nice distance in between each other. We don't want anyone smacking into the back. These are very heavy things, just like getting hit by a small car. It's not nice, right? As you go up here, there's some information on the left-hand side. Just please give it a read. You're going slow up there anyway, so there's nothing else to do. You might as well read it. Down the bottom there is a traffic light system. If you see that, if it's red, stop, so pull up, and then if it's green, keep them down and go, all right? If you do have anything loose, so any phones or anything like that, and it does come off, we're not going to be able to retrieve them, so it's at your own risk, all right? We do have a lot of people that have lost phones in the past thinking it's all right. We can't get them. We might find them next month, who knows? All right, ready to go?
All right.
Handlebars down. Keep them down when you get to the top.
All right.
Welcome to the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster at the Golden Sky Bridge. Please keep your seatbelts buckled and your hands and feet inside the cart at all times.
All right.
Pay attention and read instructional signs along the way. If the ride stops for any reason, stay in your cart and await further instructions. Sit back and enjoy the ride. We would like to review some of the riding instructions with you. This is an active participation ride. You are in full control of the ride once you're at the top. You can control your speed with the brake levers. Simply push the levers to go and pull the levers to slow down and stop. Keep your eyes forward at all times. Remember, it's your responsibility to slow down and brake for slow or stopped riders. Maintain 80 feet between you and the cart in front of you. You should increase your distance to 180 feet for wet conditions. There are signs along the uphill ride to assist you in judging your distance from others. Thank you.
All right.
You are approaching the top of the ride. Please keep your seatbelts buckled at all times. You will soon be starting the downhill track. Push the levers forward now and keep them forward.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oops. All right. Okay.
Look up and smile for the camera.
Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
Follow the lights ahead. Red means stop. Green means go.
Oh, go. Whew. 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 Grabe. Hi. Oh. Grabe.
We are now approaching the Rail Rider's final climb. If you'd like to ride the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster again, please talk to one of our team members. Thanks for riding with us.
Hello! Hi, Tito Jay! Hi, Tito Jay!
Si Seth, napaka-excited.
Para ako itapon.
Hi, Tito. Are you scared?
Hindi mo ka na maihinga.
I need to pick up.
Malapit lang.
Coaster at Golden Sky Bridge. Please exit the ride on your right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit.
Oh. Parang tubilapon sa bangin ang cliff ang bilis sa pagpalusong. Gunagustuhan mo? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You don't scared?
Yeah.
It's scary.
But my legs are broken.
What
What did you say?
It's
What did you say in Tagalog?
It's scary. Which one? Which one? Our last ang tawag yan. Last hininga. Last breath sabi dito sa ano tawag to sa Maleta Bridge dito. Ito yung last steps namin sa ano tawag to sa bridge. So going home na kami. Going to the park area. So tapos na yung coaster, yung mahaba-haba na bridge. So doon kami.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog. Nakakatakot din pero anong tawag yan? Basta nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Ito siya, shorter lang to siya pero nakakatakot din kasi uga-uga yung bridge kaysa yung sa kabila, yung dyan. Ito may nag-zipline, so nakakatakot din even though shorter lang siya, pero yun na nga, uga-uga. Finally, we're done. We're done in our... Finally, natapos na rin yung binabayaran mong tinakot ka. Ito na. We're done. See you next time. See you in my next expedition. Alright, bye-bye.